These nursing students at Texas Tech University Health Sciences Center El Paso are getting a lesson in financial literacy, thanks to a team from FirstLight Federal Credit Union.
I think it's important because a lot of us didn't have this type of education. If we have this type of courses, we can guide our youth a little bit better.
Student Arenice Sepúlveda says her personal goal is to manage money better.
It's hard to balance everything. So a class like this really helps to manage ourselves, not only manage our time, but also manage our money.
Students also learned about money-saving strategies, like the 52-week challenge. The first week you save $1, and then you keep increasing it according to the number of weeks that you're on. For example, if you're on week 35, you'll be saving $35 that week. All the way up until the very end, the 52nd week. It will give you a total of $1,378. Students also learned about credit scores and how 35% of their score is based on payment history.
I definitely feel like I'm headed in the right direction, and with this I feel like it's even a step closer in helping me achieve my goals financially.